We negotiate in everyday life and especially in real estate. A lot of people think of negotiation as that point when we're trying to help a buyer or seller get a contract on their property. You have to think about all the other parts of the real estate transaction. We negotiate to get a lead, we negotiate to get an appointment, negotiate to get a buyer or seller agreement signed. We negotiate the offer. Once we have an offer, we negotiate things like repairs. We negotiate other terms. We might even negotiate the closing date. So negotiation skill is an extremely vital skill for all real estate agents to have. If you need to improve your negotiation skill, then take Win-Win Negotiations. In Win-Win Negotiations, we help you improve your negotiation quotient, or your NQ, which will allow you to become a better negotiator. We will also show you negotiation tactics so that you can not only use them, but understand when they're being used against you. And we're going to help you improve your vocabulary when it comes to negotiation. I'll tell you from a personal standpoint, when I first read the material for Win-Win Negotiations, I added 3 things to my business immediately. It is one of my favorite classes to teach, and I think it will be one of your favorites to take. So, take Win-Win Negotiations. It will absolutely help you improve your business.